beauty is in the eye of the beholder, okay? And that makes no sense, but all I can say is this is a beautiful sight for me. Hello, my darling angels. Paulina here, and I am back with another video. I am pumping these out, and I am so excited to get into this new look. This is going to be a very quick video. I'm just going to be focusing on the eyes today, so you can see the foundation is already on the face. This is a bit of a reverse for me. Usually I do eyebrows, eyes, foundation, lips, but I have done my foundation look and I'm just going to draw you in close to my eyes, and I'm just going to show you a purple look. But it's not going to be as dark as the one that I showed you last time. Wow, I must really like purple. I don't know. For some reason, purple was just screaming at me at this current moment. So why not just show you the purple looks that I have under my belt. If you want to know how I did my face, I will do a foundation routine that will be a lot more extensive than the one that I have shown you previously in other videos. So if you want to see a real shebang foundation glam, you know, beat face, I will do a video on that, and then I'll also do a video perhaps on my eyebrow routine and get a little bit more in depth as to what I do. I'm just, you know, you're getting to know me slowly, okay? I can't be leaning on 10 first go, right? So slowly but surely I will be doing all of these breakdowns for you. So today I'm going to be teaching you another technique. It's called 1, 2, 3, and what that means is if you are wanting to do your makeup professionally but you need to find a way of doing it quite quickly, or you are starting out to be a makeup artist and you need a technique that's going to get those clients in and out of that door, this is the technique. It is super simple. All you need to use are 3 eyeshadows and it will execute this look and have you looking like a professional makeup artist, because that's where we want to go with this, okay? We want to get everyone on that level. So without further ado, guys, you know what I'm about to say here. Like, subscribe, share these videos, get your girl's name out there, help support the cause, and I will get straight into the look. And guys, I'm just playing with you. I do know my 10s, my 1s, my 2s, and my 3s, so I'm only just playing with you guys. Ooh, hi there. How are you doing? My name is Paulina. Lovely to meet you. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. Now you can use a mattifying primer, you can use your foundation. I like to use a concealer. This one here is from MAC. I love these type of palettes because they have numerous shades. You can use it for highlight, contour, concealer. You can do it for anything. So I like to use something like this, and that's just going to set the base as always for the look that I'm going for. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to apply it on the base. So standards, guys, this is standards. The Weaver palette again, this is Caramel Melange, and this is a beautiful warm tone palette. I absolutely love it. I'm going in with this shade here. This is going to be my first color, okay? This is going to be the transition color, and it's like a browny orangey color. I absolutely love it, and it's called Start Soft. So that's all I be trying to do, you know. With this brush, I'm just placing the product where I want it to be, and then I'm going to go in with a clean brush and buff it out. The next thing I'm going to do is put in that dark color, and this dark color is going to go on the end of my eyelid. So from about this point to about here. So 1, 2, 3 method is extremely simple because you just go 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going in with this customizable palette that I've made from Inglot, and I'm going to be using the darker shade on the outside of my eyes. this is the moment you have all been waiting for, the grand finale. This is now going to be my statement piece and the third color that is going to really bring this 1, 2, 3 method to life. So I'm going to go in with this color here, and it is a lighter shade, and what I'm going to do is spray some of my Fix Plus spray onto the eyeshadow brush that I'm going to use. This is a flat brush, and what that means is you can pat it on where you want it to go. So now, my lovelies, I'm just patting on that lighter shade of purple into the inner corners of my eyelids, and I'm extending that out on top of the darker color as well so that they can transition nicely into each other. What you want to be doing here is going back and forth between the darker purple and the lighter purple to create a seamless transition between the two colors on your eyelid. I am now going back in with that first color that I used, being the orange transition color, and I'm going to tie in the lighter purple color and the darker purple color together for a seamless finish. That is the eye look completed with a capital D at the end. I'm now going to bring down that eyeshadow to my bottom lash line. I'm going to start off with the dark purple, and then I'm going to blend that out with the orange shade that I use. So I'll show you how that is done now. As you can see, guys, I've gone ahead and lined the top of my eyelids with the black eyeliner, and I've also put on some mascara as well, so you can go ahead and do that in your own time. So that is the look, guys. What do you think? I absolutely love it. Again, it really is quite simple to do. You can see the way everything blends into each other. I absolutely love it. The next thing I'm going to do is just set my face before I move into the lips. So you know what to do. So what I've done, guys, is I've just lined my lips here with this Choc Chip color from Bourjois, and I've used that just to set the foundation for my lip color. I'm now going in with this shade here. It's by MAC. It's a matte color, and it's called Honey Love. So I'm going to be using this color in the center of my lips. Blend, blend, blend using your hands, and then just keep going back and forth between two colors. So that's the desired look that I'm after. I'm then going to go in with any type of lip gloss, and I'm just going to put that on top of the look in the center of my lips just to give it some shine. Guys, that is the finished look. I am very happy with the way it turned out. This could be a wedding look, this could be a party look, this could be an everyday look. It depends what you're comfortable with, but I love it. It is a little bit more on the oomph side, but it's also one that you can tone down and dress up as well. So 1, 2, 3 method is one that I use consistently throughout all of the makeup looks that I apply on whoever, but then also it's one that I can show you I use for myself and absolutely love. So as always, leave some feedback. What is it that you want to watch me do next? What is it that you want to see more of? Tell me. I'm very, very happy and appreciate the feedback that I have received thus far. I have so many people in my life that are wanting to see me succeed and like, Lena, you should do this, you should do that. So I really do encourage your feedback, your comments, subscribe, like, you know the deal, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So